This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account country in Google Play. You need that value to change it. Once done, add a valid local payment method and address for the new country because Play verifies billing info. Next, enable a VPN to the target country and sign out of Play on one device. This isolates the change. Make sure you back up app data. Some regional switches can affect subscriptions and purchased content, so proceed carefully. With VPN active, relaunch Google Play and go straight to Menu Account Country and Profiles. You should see an option for the target country. Tap it and follow prompts. If Play asks for a payment profile, add the local card or select the prepared profile. This is why you set one up first. Once you accept, Google may switch your profile. Note that this can take up to 1 business day, so check back and avoid toggling repeatedly during propagation. After the switch, clear Play Store cache and data, then reboot. Often this surfaces the new country immediately. Once visible, remove VPN and confirm purchases, subscriptions, and app availability. Some content shifts regionally. If the change fails or errors persist, gather screenshots of payment profile and address, then contact Google support. Explain the billing proof. Alternatively, create a new account registered to the target country. If blocked, consider using the correct local payment method as the decisive fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.